Alright, thanks for stopping by today. We're in Northwest Indiana.
Surprise, motherfucker.
I just got done putting in that 7x7 and that 9x7 and installed them on the back end of this nice custom building, which is a full court basketball court inside there.
Why you always lying?
Let's take a look on the inside. It's a lot different here in Indiana versus Austin, Texas. The weather, obviously. Look at that. It's just beautiful. Good to be back in the country, as far as the eye can see, instead of that hustle bustle of the city. Yeah, it's pretty cold though. We're going to come back next week and put on the vinyl trim that goes up around it that you can see right here, steel pan, 7x7. They didn't send, you know, a full row of hinges in the middle there, but, you know, it's okay. It's 7x7. Got that nice torsion spring up there. Had to cut a foot off the tracks off the back. It was going to bump into our nice sheet metal there, and we don't want that. This was a nice job. Took me a little longer. Bruh. You can see the floor there. It's dirt, got some gravel. So how I set that and how you do set that is you measure down from the header all the way down. 7 foot is the height. Make you a line, and then I just use a piece of punched angle to simulate a floor. So once they pour the concrete, they're going to take those metal pieces off and pour the concrete. That's how I do it when there's no floor.
Dude.
I am the one, the way your son don't need.
All right, it's quitting time. Right there's the 9x7. Easy peasy. Steel pan, non-insulated. Wagner's Building Supply out of Rensselaer, Indiana. They're the guys that, you know, supply these doors for us. Believe it or not, they are mid-America, coming from Oklahoma, clear up here in Northwest Indiana. And that right there is the MVP of the job today. Because it was a nice, warm 21 degrees.
Oh, brutal.
Got any questions about this video, installing 2 new doors on a, they call this a pole barn, stick frame building, please ask in the comments and I'll get back with you. Till then, we'll talk to you all later. Peace out, Cub Scout.
What did he say?